Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 PRO, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check this device's temperature. So to do that, we'll have to install an application called Temp. So first make sure that you have an internet connection, then open your web browser, open the search engine, for example Google, then input Temp in the search field, press enter, and download the Temp application from the official allcpu.com website. Open this website, then click download right here, and once the setup file is downloaded, you can open it and close the browser, then click yes, then next to continue, accept the user agreement to begin the installation. Then you can select a folder into which you want to install the application by clicking browse and selecting the folder that you need. Then click next. Then on the following page we have some checkboxes. Now if you need a desktop shortcut for this program, you can leave this checkbox checked. I'm not gonna need it, so I'm gonna uncheck it. Make sure that you uncheck this second checkbox, because it wants to install some probably unwanted software on your device. And if you need additional language packs, you can also leave this checkbox checked, but if you don't need it, just uncheck it. Now once you're done on this page, click next, click install, wait until the application is installed, and let's finish and launch the Temp application. And here we have the information about your processor and model, platform frequency, and on the following part of the window you can see the temperature rangings. So you can see each core of your processor with current temperature in this column, minimum temperature in this column, the minimum registered temperature of each core in this column, maximum register temperature of each column core in this column, and the load of each core right here. And that's how you check your device's temperature. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.